So guys, for the first step, you want to go to Google and then type in Aomi Partition Assistant. Then you want to go to this website right here by Aomi. Click on this. You want to get the Aomi Partition Assistant. Click on download. It's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And then click on yes. Choose your language and then click on OK. We just need the standard one, so click on skip. And then click on install now. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this. You can untick this box if you want to, and then click on enjoy now. It should now open up on its own. If not, then just open it up. I don't have an external drive, but in your case you want to find your external drive right here. It should be appearing right here somewhere. Now once you find your external drive, you want to right click on it, and then click on rebuild MBR. Once this comes up, you want to select your Windows version, and then click on OK. It's now going to start rebuilding it. Just wait for this to load. Once that's been done, in the top left, click on apply, and then click on proceed, and then click on yes. Once that's been done, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not working, just make sure that your external drive is up to date. So just go to search and type in device manager, click on it. Once we're on this, expand disk drives. You want to find your external hard drive, right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Once you do all of this, the problem should be fixed.